Senate President Francis Cheese Escudero assures the upper chamber is ready to provide assistance to any one of his colleagues under threat. The Senate leader made this assurance after Senator Sherwin Gatchalian reported to the Pasay City Police that he has received a death threat, which he believes is connected with the ongoing probe on illegal pogos. Meanwhile, for Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa, a lawmaker being threatened by those in the illegal practice is very possible, since illegal pogos are much like those involved in illegal drugs in terms of scale and in manner of conducting their illegal activities. He added the police and the Senate Sergeant-at-Arms should work together to locate the embattled Bamban mayor, whom the Senate issued an arrest order against.
Torture na nila. Ngayon, pati senador, tatakutin nila. Anak ng baka. Ako takutin nyo. Huwag yung aking magkasamaan na hindi sanay sa takot. Kung hinahanap natin ng gusto si Pastor Kibuloy, hanapin rin natin yan si Alex Go.